Greetings, dear students. In this module, we will discuss about numericals of NCERT exercise chapter 12. So, first question is, this is the question number of NCERT exercise. This is the first question, and this one is question number 4 of exercise. So, first question is, read the statement. A piece of wire of resistance R, कि हमारे पास एक वायर का पीस है, उसकी रेजिस्टेंस कितनी है R, इज कट इनटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट, कि उसको हमने क्या किया है 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. These parts are then connected in parallel and these 5 equal parts are connected in parallel if the equivalent resistance of combination, कि उनको हमने पैरेलल में कंबाइन किया और टोटल रेजिस्टेंस हमने निकाली. The equivalent resistance of parallel combination is R dash. Then the ratio R by R dash. So we have to calculate the ratio R by R dash. So what is given? A wire cut into equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So initially the total resistance of whole length is R. Now we already know R is directly proportional to the length. अब length को हमने क्या किया 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया, तो हर एक पार्ट की रेजिस्टेंस कितनी हो जाएगी R by 5. So each part have resistance R by 5. If you are not aware about the reason why it is R by 5, so during the factors affecting resistance we discussed resistance is directly proportional to the length. Now the length is reduced to 1 by 5. So resistance will also reduce to 1 by 5. लेंथ कितनी थी पहले L, अब लेंथ कितनी होगी L by 5. तो R भी क्या हो जाएगा 1 by 5. So this is based upon the factors affecting resistance. कि resistance is directly proportional to the length. If length is reduced to 1 by 5, then resistance will also reduce to 1 by 5. So these are the 5 equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each have resistance equal resistance R by 5. So first we will calculate the total resistance. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5, they are the resistance of those equal 5 parts. Now we will put this value 1 by Rp is, what is the value of R1? R by 5, R by 5, R by 5, R by 5, R by 5. So these are the total. और ये कहाँ आ जाएगा ऊपर, तो 1 by Rp is equal to 5 by R, 5 by R, 5 by R, 5 by R and 5 by R. Now simple is, take the LCM. LCM is R. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5, 5. It will be 25 by R. Again, the most common mistake, we will 1 by Rp is equal to 25 by R and Rp is equal to Rp is equal to R by 25. So Rp is equal to R by 25. Now if the equivalent resistance of combination is R dash, कि जो हमारा कॉम्बिनेशन आया है उसकी इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस कितनी है R dash, तो मतलब ये जो हमारा Rp आया है ये हमने क्या कैलकुलेट किया है 5 पार्ट्स को जब हम पैरेलल में कनेक्ट करेंगे तो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस क्या आएगी. तो Rp की जगह बेटर क्या होगा, जो हमको क्वेश्चन में बोला है वही हम ले लेते हैं कि R dash इज इक्वल टू R by 25. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द रेशियो R by R dash. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको इधर ले जाएंगे, इसको ऊपर ले आएंगे, तो क्या हो जाएगा 25 R by R dash. So ratio of R by R dash is equal to 25 by 1. Or you can also write like this, R ratio R dash 25 ratio 1. But in your NCERT book you will find 4 options. In one of the options you will find 25. The ratio R by R dash is 25. So 25 is the correct option. So I hope it is clear to everyone. The basic is we have a wire, एक पूरी वायर थी, उसकी रेजिस्टेंस कितनी है R. इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट, तो रेजिस्टेंस भी क्या हो जाएगी R by 5, R by 5, R by 5. ईच पार्ट ऑफ दैट वायर इज हैव इक्वल रेजिस्टेंस R by 5. और वो क्या बोल रहा है कि उनको हमने फिर क्या कर दिया, ऑल दीज 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. इफ दे आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस. और वो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस के लिए कौन सा साइन यूज कर रहा है, R डैश. बट इनिशियली वी यूज द RP so that we will not get confused by this. So by calculating it is 25 by R, then reverse inverse कर देना है. So RP is equal to R by 25. तो RP की जगह पे वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, we have to use the sign R dash. So in place of RP I have written R dash. और रेशियो क्या निकालना है, R by R dash. ये रहा R, interchange the position, you will get R by R dash which is equal to 25. If in exam the options given is only 25, then the correct answer is 25. It is given 25:1, then that is the correct answer. So I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. Next is question number 4 of NCERT exercise. So question number 4, first we will read the statement. Two conducting wire of same material, मीन दो वायर है हमारे पास, दोनों करंट को पास करती है, मीन्स द कंडक्टिंग वायर मेड अप ऑफ सेम मटेरियल. लेट अज्यूम दे आर मेड अप ऑफ कॉपर एंड ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ. कि दो हमारे पास वायर हैं 1, 2 ऑफ सेम मटेरियल, दोनों सेम मटेरियल की बनी है. सेकेंड, इक्वल लेंथ, दोनों की लेंथ क्या है, लेट अज्यूम L and both have equal diameter. The meaning of diameter here is the area of cross section, कि वायर कितनी मोटी है या कितनी पतली है, thickness of that particular wire. The meaning of equal diameter is they both have same thickness, and thickness is related to what, area of cross section. Mean area of cross section दोनों का क्या है, same है, means thickness of both the wire is same. And are फर्स्ट कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज, कि उन दोनों को उन्होंने क्या किया, पहले सीरीज में कनेक्ट कर दिया, देन कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. कि ये जो दो वायर हैं, वायर 1, वायर 2, फर्स्ट दे वर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज, देन दे वर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. तो सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन और पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. द रेशियो ऑफ हीट प्रोड्यूस, कि हीट प्रोड्यूस जो सीरीज में हुई HS, हीट प्रोड्यूस जो पैरेलल में हुई HP, उनका जो रेशियो निकालना है, द रेशियो ऑफ हीट प्रोड्यूस इन सीरीज एंड पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. तो हमको क्या करना है, उन दोनों के अंदर रेशियो कैलकुलेट करना है हीट प्रोड्यूस के लिए. तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ जूल्स लॉ ऑफ हीटिंग, I² RT. सो I we have to calculate, R of that particular wire we have to calculate. So one by one we will calculate. So in this full question we have to start solving the numerical by assuming, means both have equal resistance. So why both have equal resistance, because first wire, second wire, both have same length, both have same area of cross section, both are made up of same material, so it means both have equal resistance. Let assume that resistance is R. So first we will discuss about the series combination, कि उनको हमने क्या कर दिया, सीरीज के अंदर कनेक्ट कर दिया. and we are already aware what is the formula for series combination. The total resistance when they are connected in series, RS, R1 plus R2, and both are same R, so RS is equal to 2R. And in the second part they are connected in parallel, so 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, and R1 and R2 both are same, so 1 by R plus 1 by R, so 1 by RP is equal to 2 by R. उल्टा करना है इसको हमने, तो RP is equal to R by 2. So up to this point of time we have calculated, because we have to calculate the ratio in heating effect. So heating effect का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, I² RT. तो हमको I की वैल्यू चाहिए, R की वैल्यू चाहिए, T we are assuming कि current is passed for the same interval of time. So resistance in series is 2R, resistance in parallel is R by 2. Now next step is we will so in next step we have to calculate, okay, the ratio of heating effect. During the heating effect we also discussed the second formula, H is equal to V square by R T. V square by R T. Why I am using this formula? So that the one step is reduced जो हमको calculate करना I वाला, ठीक है. हम assume करके चल रहे हैं कि both are connected to the same potential difference, a same source. So first I will calculate the heating effect for series combination. So how we can calculate the heating effect for series combination? V square by Rs into T. So V square is the V is the potential difference. What we calculated for the Rs? 2R into T. So HS, heating effect in this series, is equal to V square by 2R into T. Next is heating effect in parallel, V square by RP into T. So V square, what is the value of RP? R by 2 into T. और इसको हम और सिंप्लीफाई करें तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 ये ऊपर आ जाएगा, 2V square by R into T, और 2V square by in the next step we have to calculate the ratio. HS, we are asking in heat producing series. Yes, HS by HP. What is the value of HS? V square by 2R into T divided by, what is the value of HP? HP is 2 V square T by R. तो जब आप इसको रीअरेंज करोगे, सोल्व करोगे, you will get HS by HP 1 by 4. So HS by HP is equal to 1 by 4. So I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. I hope you can solve this part. V square से V square cancel हो जाएगा और सभी R से R cancel हो जाएगा और T से T cancel हो जाएगा. You will be left with only 1 by 4. Why all are same? Because they are made up of same material, same substance, same material, equal length, equal diameter. Diameter means they have same area. So once again I am repeating कि हमारे पास दो वायर हैं, दोनों की लेंथ सेम है, दोनों का एरिया सेम है, दोनों का रेजिस्टेंस सेम है. फर्स्ट दे वर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. तो सीरीज में जब हम कनेक्ट कर रहे थे तो हमने क्या निकाला था? R प्लस R, और वो कितना हो गया था? 2R. देन they were connected in parallel, so parallel is R by 2, total resistance is R by 2. Now we have to calculate the ratio of heating effect. So rather than using the Joule law of heating, I am using this formula, V square by R T. So V square by R for series combination, V square by 2R into T. RS जो यहाँ वाला R है उसकी जगह पे हमको क्या रखना पड़ेगा? जो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस आई है सीरीज कम्बिनेशन के बाद. And next is for the parallel combination, the ratio that you will get is 1:4. So HS by HP is equal to 1:4. So in your NCERT book, in the exercise question, the fourth question, the option which have 1/4 is the correct answer. So these are the two numericals of NCERT exercise. Thank you students.